Yo, what's good, YouTube? Back at it again. New vid. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't know if I was gonna make a second part two of the last one, but no cap, that was like probably I was one of my most top vids that's been put out. I ain't gonna lie, I ran up that joint went crazy. I ain't gonna lie. So I went ahead, copped a second pair of purple jeans, man. I ain't gonna lie, yo. I ain't gonna lie, I think I got the best purple jeans on the market. No cap. No cap. I'm finna show y'all right now. Quote me on that. Quote me on that. Bro. So offer it, like, you know what I'm saying, last vid I had a dark pair. So my first pair of light jeans, man. I had to. So off rip, what are we noticing? We're noticing, oh my goodness, the details from top to bottom. From top to bottom. They call it like jocker or something. Like jocker monogram. That's what it was called. It has, I like a little distress on here, guys. I wish it had a little bit more, like, bro, I ain't gonna lie. When I got it on, it looked so weird. It looks weird, like, when I showed him. Like, cause it's just a rip. Like, it don't have no distress. It don't have nothing, like, and on the other leg, and there's no rip on the other leg. So it's just like, why is the rip really here in the first place? Y'all couldn't have just left the rip out. Like, come on, Purple, what are we doing? Come on, dog. Anyways, like, somebody tell me if I could add some more strings on it. Like, somebody show me how to do that. I need to add some more of this. Like, they put a little bit, but like, it's not enough. Like, what is that? And then on the bottom, got it like ripped up on the bottom. This came like this. I ain't gonna lie. I messed with it. I messed with it. Got it on both legs. Got it on both. You know what I'm saying? So, like the last time, got size 32, of course. I'm like 6'1". I'm like 6'1". All right, so around 6 foot, 6'1", 32 for sure. If you like 6'2", 6'3", now you gotta go up like 34 maybe. I don't even know about 33. Like, do they even, bro? I don't even know if they make size 33 purple jeans. Like, 33 is like a weird, they barely make those, I swear, anywhere, right? Back tag, always clean, always clean. Hey, y'all let me know. If y'all see somebody with them, cause off rip, I can't even deny the fact no more. I can't even act like people don't be hating that we be leaving these on the jeans. Like, some people be hating on the fact that these even on there in the first place. But I ain't gonna lie, sometimes, bro, some people tag be messed up. Like, I'm talking about, like, and if your tag is really messed up, bro, let's be for real. Let's be for real. Like, bro, you have to take it off. Like, no cap. You have to take it off. You have to take it off. Like, if you didn't take care of it and now it's all dirty, and like, I done seen tags that's been yo like ripped off. Like, I'm talking about barely hanging on by the stitching, and it's just like, what are we really doing? Like, now you're making us look even worse. And it's not even just purple jeans. Like, it's another company, like Valahasbis or something. I don't even know how to pronounce it. I don't know. The Valahasbis owners, they be messing their tags up the most. Yeah, I'm about to throw up a picture right here to show y'all what the jeans look like, to show y'all who we don't jack. Let me chill. I ain't gonna lie. The jeans, just keep your tag clean, please. And you go to the front tag. I had took it off, but you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna go throw these Johns on, show y'all what they look like, of course, and yeah. All right, y'all, we got them on. Got the jeans on. Like I said, man, we got this one rip right here in the jeans. Like, Let me see. I don't know. I think it kind of look. I think it kind of look crazy, but you can't even really notice it for real. You can't really tell when standing back from like a little distance. But yeah, so 10. Y'all, I think I got the best jeans on the market. Like, these is tough. Like, if y'all seen the last ones, I showed y'all the black already. Let me know what y'all think is better, these pair or the black pair. I took the front tag off. Y'all already know. Y'all already know what it'll look like if it was on, so I don't really gotta do too much. But yeah, so like I said, with these ones, size 32, I'm like 6'2", 6'1". Y'all see how they fit in me? Like, they fit me. They're not too tight. They're not too tight. They stack a little bit at the bottom and stuff. They're not too tight. They're not like grabbing my leg or nothing. They got like a little wrinkle in them. So it's nothing too crazy. It's nothing too crazy. But I guess if you wanted to be more baggy, you already know you'll have to go up a size. You already know y'all size and everything like that. But yeah, y'all, tried on the jeans, showed them to y'all, broke them down. So now officially for the channel, that's 2 pairs. I got 1 pair of Subies. I think for the next review, I think I'm gonna review another pair of Subies. I think I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna cop another light pair, because we already got 2 dark pairs and there's 1 light pair. So I think for the next cop and the next review, I'm gonna get a light pair of Subies. I'm gonna review them for y'all. But yeah, until that vid drop, man, appreciate y'all for tuning in if y'all made it to the end. And show love to the IG. And yeah.